Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So we are in a little different setting here. We're in the outdoors. Summer is coming. The sun is out. We got a new little setup. We got the mic, as you guys can see. We got the tripod and everything. And stay tuned because we're also going to get a little bit of drone footage in this video. But without any further ado, right in front of us, you guys can see that we have the Beats Solo 4. Now, it has been since 2016, I believe, that Beats have released wireless headphones. Now, the last generation of these were the Beats Solo 3, and those did really good. So over the past years since they've been out, since 2016, so about 8 years, Beats has sold over 40 million pairs of Solo 3s. But just as everything changes in this world, so does tech, and so do people's wants and needs change, especially in the tech industry. So that's why Beats decided to release these Solo 4 headphones just about a week ago on May 2nd. So these are actually at a pretty affordable price point of $300. So if you were waiting for some new AirPod Maxes, maybe it's not the time. Maybe you should check out the Beats Solo 4. So without any further ado, we're gonna do a little unboxing, a little review. You guys can see that I am at the basketball court, so we are going to be checking out how these work while doing a little cardio, a little workout, the noise cancellation, and all those features. So if you're looking forward to this video, make sure to smash that like button, comment down below your thoughts, share it around, and subscribe with notifications on if you haven't already. So are you ready for the unboxing? Let's get right into it. So the Solo 4s do come in a very interesting box. You guys can see it is vertically rectangular, and right over here on the side we have a little pull tab. So we're gonna pull that right off just like so. Set that aside, and then this comes off. And there you go. So on this little paper packaging, we have a little bit of information. I got these in the black color. I'm not sure if they're officially called black. They do also come in like a sort of blue, darker, lighter blue, and a pink version. So since it's a little windy, we're just gonna set those aside. That way they don't blow away. So give me 1 second. I'll just grab my little fanny pack and set the paper under the fanny pack, and here we are greeted with the Beats Solo 4. So as you guys can see, here's the Solo 4 box, nice and white with a little Beats graphic design at the front. So Beats, little did you know, actually comes from Apple. So they have a little partnership, so these work basically just like AirPods, although some of the specifics are somewhat different. And once we open it up, you guys can see that we are greeted with a Beats fabric bag, which is really nice to see. Nice little travel bag. And then at the bottom of the box, we have a little regulatory QR code information scanner thingy-majig for your convenience. So we're gonna set that all aside right up here. And we're gonna get to the goodies of this video. If I could close this box. There you go. Close that right there. I'm getting a phone call. My mom wants me to run some errands, so we better get this video done pretty quickly. But anyways, here's the box, or I should say the travel bag, which is really nice and convenient. Because if you guys know, the AirPod Maxes actually do not come with a carrying case that's this good. So they're kind of exposed, and the band that goes over your head top can actually get scratched up while you're traveling. But this right over here is a nice little carrying case that your Beats are nice and secure in. So we're gonna open them up just like so. We have the Beats logo at the front of the case, and we are greeted with, let's see over here. Are they fully open? Okay, so it opens kind of like a Ziploc bag, I guess. So you gotta take it from the top. And here we are with the Beats Solo 4. Really nice design. You could fold them just like so, as you guys can see. And do they have a marker for which one's the left? Yes, so they do. So right over here on the side, there's a little left ear marker. And then on the right side, instead of having something that says right ear, it says number 4. So you know that the left ear is on this side, so you're gonna put it on the left side, and then on the right side, there's the 4 representing Beats Solo 4. So nice little design. It seems like it has great, you know, scalp protection, scalp comfort right over there. So we're gonna set that aside. What else do we have in this little Ziploc looking traveling bag? We have a gray 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter earphone cable, which is nice to see if you'd like to use them wired. And then let's see over here, the other pouch, we have a USB-C to a USB-C cable, which is really nice to see. So we're gonna set that all aside, and I'm gonna start screen recording on my iPhone to see what the setup process is like. Hopefully these are charged up, and I believe once you put them on, if you hit that little button, there you go. So if you hit that little button on the bottom right, they will turn on. As you guys can see, you got press and hold. I hope my screen is screen recording. So if it is, I'm just gonna move aside so you guys can see it right over here. And as you guys can see, it says connect. So we're gonna put these on, adjust them nice and snug, and we're gonna hit connect. There you go. I heard a little sound on them, so they are properly connected. Adjust them. And as you guys can see, it is integrated inside the Apple UI. So you do have that media control. You do have the volume control. So you got press above or below the B on the left ear cup to adjust the volume, which is pretty interesting. And you could adjust spatial audio and all of that in the control center. And there you go. They did come pretty charged at 56%. So the Beats Solo 4 do have a percentage of charge that is going to be listed right up here. So you are able to use it for that much time. And as you guys can see, they are connected in my Bluetooth. I could rename them right over here. And you also have call controls, mute and unmute, personalized spatial audio. Now I've already turned on personalized spatial audio with my AirPods Pro 2nd generation. So that spatial audio data just transfers over to my Beats Solo 4. You do have that Apple Care Plus coverage for 60 days if you'd like, and you also have that limited warranty for 1 year. And overall, looks pretty good. You can also have them displayed in Find My, which is pretty decent. So it shows the location of where my Beats Solo 4 is. So just in case I do lose them, just like AirPods, I could retrace it. Unfortunately, it does not have precision tracking, but it still does the job, seeing kind of an approximate last location. And then you could also play the sound, ring it, and follow the directions. So there you go. That is the little unboxing. First impressions, they feel really comfortable. They block out sound pretty good because, in all honesty, I'm not sure if I'm speaking too loud or if I'm not speaking loud enough. But yeah, let's get playing basketball, listen to some music, and see how they roll. All right, guys, so I don't know if you can hear me. You should be able to. My drone battery is about to die, because I just got it from the store and I came straight back to the court to test it out. But overall, the Beats Solo 3 feel pretty good, in all honesty. You can see I'm just playing basketball here, doing a little bit of movement. My shot is horrible, little layup. I'm not playing in basketball shoes, so it feels pretty different, and I'm not used to playing outdoors. I'm always playing indoors, but overall it feels pretty good. The music sound is pretty awesome, and it has stability. It has some good noise cancellation. The double rims are super annoying. Let's see how it is when you jump. And honestly, they stick on my head, they're not going anywhere. Music sound is great. The sound quality isn't as amazing as AirPods, but it still does the job. Let's see if I could get an actual shot in. These double rims are annoying me. I'm so used to shooting on single rims, but yeah, overall, they feel pretty good. Let's do a little free throw. I better sync this. Okay, yeah, these are horrible. I hate these rims. Let me know how the audio quality sounds. Everything looks good. Seems like you can hear me. And would I recommend the Beats Solo 4? Honestly, I would. If you're in the market for some cheap headphones and you're looking for something that could get you around, play a little sports, then yeah, I would surely recommend these. Now my drone is about to die. So that has been Alex from Techrific. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys like this video. Honestly, it is my first time doing such a high production video. I'm not sure how it turned out, but yeah, it's been Alex. Would I recommend these? I would. $300 at Best Buy. Connects with your iPhone seamlessly. It works on Bluetooth on computers and phones, Android phones, Google Pixel, Samsung. And before my drone drops dead, subscribe, like, comment, share if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.